Hey, hi, this is Nakul here from Engage Leads, and I'm here to show you the demonstration of software vidCreate. This software basically helps you to build high quality video pages in a matter of minutes. So let's have a look how fast you can build video pages with the help of vidCreate. Now right now I'm in the dashboard of vidCreate, and you can see preloaded template, done for you templates, lots of templates here, and these templates are basically required by any internet marketer on day-to-day basis. So we have sales page templates, webinar templates, opt-in page templates, thank you page templates, and lots of other stuff here. You can see if you want to edit any of this template, it's very simple. What you have to do, you just have to choose the template that you want, and then you select one. So I'm going ahead with this one, so I'm just clicking this. Let's select it. Alright, so now this is our template. This is the one we have chosen here, and on the left hand side you have lots of options. You can customize your page with the help of these options. Let me walk you through all the options right now, and I will show the demonstration later on. You can see here under the heading of video settings, you can enter embed code, you can enable a call to action. Under that you have lots of other options as well, like you can add text, you can add HTML code, you can add video overlay, and then you have enable opt-in form. That means you can overlay your opt-in form on this video. And then we have on-demand settings, purchase link settings, and lots of other settings. Let me show you one by one how each function works here. So this is our pre-made template, and we just have to edit it according to our requirement. So we will start with editing the text. So let's start it here. You can put your text here. Here goes your headline. If you want to change the font, it's pretty simple. Change font size. You can make it bold or inclined. You can choose from preloaded fonts here, any one that you like, and your headline is ready. Alright, so this is how simple it is to manage the text. Now the next thing is managing these settings. So let's talk about these settings we have on the left hand side. Enter our embed code. So if you want to embed video, which is here, you just have to put your embed code that you get from YouTube or Vimeo. You just have to put your code here, and your video will reflect here in a matter of seconds. If you want to keep it autoplay or not, it's up to you. If you select it autoplay, it will be selected as an autoplay. Alright, then we have enabled to call to action, and under that we have call to action timing. That means if you want some kind of action like getting opt-in page on the video after 5 seconds, then you just have to set that timing here, 5 seconds or 2 seconds, whatever it is, and then your call to action will appear on the page. It can be text, as you can see. You can change the text here, or else it can be HTML code. So virtually, if you know HTML, you can do anything and everything with the help of this vidCreate software. Alright, right now I'm setting it as a text. Then if you want to change the color, you can change it. Alright, now there is one more setting, which is enable opt-in form. So if you want to collect leads, which is really good feature, or you can use it as a content blocker as well, you just have to put your opt-in form details. Alright, so you just what you have to do is you have to put your fields and other stuff here. You can change your color, and you have to put the timing at which this opt-in form should appear. For example, if you are using it as a content blocker and you want this opt-in form to appear on 5th second or 7th or 10th second, you can set that timing here, say for 10 second. and whenever your visitor visits your page, this call to action will appear on that moment. Alright, now if you want to allow your visitors to skip this, you can keep this button on or off. Alright, now let's go ahead and talk about this email integration. So we have embedded almost all the top autoresponders. For that, you just have to go here in autoresponder settings. Using API, you can embed autoresponders. All these big autoresponders like GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, SendRich, you can embed it with the help of API. So if you want to integrate GetResponse, you just have to put your API key, campaign token, autoresponder form is already integrated. Suppose if you are using any other autoresponder apart from all these widely used autoresponders, then you need not to worry. You can copy and paste your HTML form here, and you can use this form to collect leads with the help of vidCreate. Now let's talk about some other features. Now this is on-demand settings. This is really important and amazing feature. Let me explain you what exactly happens. For example, if you want to appear buy now button after 10 seconds like this button, then you can set it for on-demand setting. Alright, so this block will be disappeared till the time this video reaches to 10 seconds. Alright, so you just have to put your time interval. What will happen here is whenever your visitor visits and run this video, and if you have set this time to 10 seconds, this block will be disappeared till the time your video reaches 10 seconds, and as soon as it reaches to 10 seconds mark, this block will suddenly appear. So this is really powerful. If you want to have your buy now button at particular point of time in video, then you can do this with the help of on-demand settings. Now you have purchase links as well, so you can embed your PayPal links here. Now let's talk about template settings. So if you want to change color of the template, it's pretty simple. You can use this setting and change the color. This is the background color. It's very simple. If you want to change, suppose if you want to change the settings of the fonts, it's pretty simple. We have got 600 plus different fonts that is provided by Google, and you can use them, and you just have to click here and everything will be changed according to your requirements. Alright, if you want to use default font, you can use that. If you want to use background image, you can use that. No need to use color. So in short, you can customize each and every template as per your taste, as per your requirement. Now the next setting is social settings. So for that, we have these options. You can embed your Facebook link, Twitter link, or Google Plus link. So whenever you have these settings here, like these icons here, like Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus, you just have to put your links and you are done with your social settings. This is really easy and powerful. Now icon editors, we have used nice and sleek icons throughout the template. If you want to change some of those, then it's pretty simple to change those. So I have just clicked here, and suppose I want to change this to rocket, and you can see it has got reflected here. If I want to change setup process icon to this one, you can see it has got reflected here. So overall, managing the look and layout of template is very simple with the help of vidCreate. Now let's let me tell you about SEO options. All of us, we know that on-page SEO is very tough if you do not know HTML and some technical stuff. So you don't need to worry about that. You just have to put your page title here, SEO meta description, meta keywords, and you are done with your on-page SEO in a matter of seconds. Simultaneously, you can put your FB retargeting code on the template. You just have to copy and paste your FB retargeting code here, and you are done with your retargeting code settings. Now, to add some more flexibility to the layout of this template, we have added this feature. So if you want to change the settings of these blocks, suppose if you want this block upward and this downward and this block downward, then you just have to click the block you want to shift, and you just have to click here, and you can see it has got shifted upward here. Alright, suppose I just want this to move down, so I will click here, move block down, and you can see it has got shifted down. So it gives you tremendous flexibility, and at the same time it's very simple and easy to use interface. So even if you do not know what this technical stuff is all about, it's very simple for you to manage the layout of your video pages, video sales pages, webinar pages, whatever you are creating with the help of vidCreate. It's very simple to manage for all of you. Now let me show you one more stuff here. Once you are done with the editing, you simply have to save and publish. Now it's already done, so either you can use our server to host your sales pages and video pages, or else you can export and you can upload these HTML templates on your server. So let me show you. This is how our page looks like now, and you can see here this is how entire template looks like, and these templates are responsive to, so you can see these work really well on mobile and tablets as well. Now last but not the least, if you want to export the entire project, you can export it. You just have to click here, so that HTML template will be exported. Now this is the HTML template. You just have to upload it on your server, and you can start your marketing campaign. So that's the overall vidCreate is all about. Thank you very much, and see you soon.